Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to send a high quality video in Telegram. So to send high quality video in Telegram, you have to make sure that the Telegram application is completely up to date. And then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Telegram account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, and which is going to look something like this. So right on this page, you have to go ahead and open up the chat page to whom you actually wish to send the video. So let's say I'm going to go with this one. So right on this page, go ahead and press the paperclip icon. So when you do that, you could go ahead and access the particular gallery. So if you wish to send it, then what you have to do is you have to go ahead and locate the particular video that you wish to send. I'm going to go with this one. So long press on it and select the particular video, and before you send, tap the three dot icon and just go ahead and press on send as file. When you do that, you'll have successfully sent the high quality video in Telegram. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.